Many of you watch my channel for the Forgotten Aircraft series, and it is entirely likely you know about the Husk-Kit website already. But just in case you are into military aviation and don't know about it, this review is for you. Husk-Kit, which calls itself the Alternative Aviation magazine, justifiably, is a fantastic website. The authors have literally forgotten more about the subject than I will ever know. The site's editor, Joe Coles, has created a website that deals with both the bizarre and quirky facets of the field, as well as some top-rate articles and interviews. So, for example, on Husk-Kit you can find pieces dealing with things like the use of narcotics by military pilots, to exotic prototype aircraft that you've probably never heard of. Then you have the interviews with pilots who have flown, well, just about everything. Want to read about what flying the F-35 is really like? It's here. What about the MiG-25? Interested in hearing a pilot who actually flew it? It's in Husk-Kit. How about the experiences of an F-15 pilot entangling with F-14s, 16s and F-4s in dissimilar combat? The point is, you can pretty much just pick a random page from the Husk-Kit archive and you will find something you'll go, ooh, to, and then read. And that will probably lead you onto something else there. That's why making this tiny review video has taken me all day. I've been wandering in Husk-Kit, so I'd advise not going there unless you have time to kill. Also, there's been a few people who said to me in the comments about, hey, you should do a book on obscure aircraft. But the truth is, I don't have to because Husk-Kit are already planning one, and that's now currently in pre-order, I believe, so check that out as well. But anyway, if you haven't heard of Husk-Kit, like military aviation, and fancy learning something new, I'll put a link to their website in the description. You can thank me later. And if you've heard of Husk-Kit, admit it, you're going to the link anyway, aren't you? Everyone take it easy, and I'll catch you again soon.